Hello. With you analytical service system .Guru.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. We will examine each parameter in more detail below. If necessary, you can pause it. We propose to consider each parameter of the organization under study more closely. We will compare the main fundamental indicators of the corporation SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc., ticker SBC. This review is based on current data as of May 20th, 2025. By classification GURU.Markets company SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc. belongs to the subcategory. Treatment: 54 companies are involved in the analysis, which is very representative. See the decisions made at the end of the video. Overall score for the company under study, 7 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.5 points. If you look broadly, within the US stock market in general, we can note that the average result for the market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against a 7-point rating for the company SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc. and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months the stock's SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc. showed a dynamics of -77%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 18.8%. Market capitalization of the organization SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc. valued at $0.35 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $271 billion. SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc. accounts for 0.13% and is one of the very small companies in the subcategory. The company's book value is $0.22 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $67 billion. SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc. accounts for 0.326%. Comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Share SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc. in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 0.13%. The book value is 0.326%. This is 151% more than the market value share. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization under study has debts of $0.013 billion. Debt to book value represents 5.9% of the company's equity. The company's debt level rating, very good, 2 points. The company's market price to profit ratio is 11.6. The average in the subcategory is 23.8, which is 51% lower than the subcategory average. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $30 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $63 million. 107.6% more than currently. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 2.4. The average in the subcategory is 1.2. This is 100% higher than in the subcategory. Evaluation of the company's market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $140 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is projected to be $220 million. And this is 57% more than now. Assessment of expected future sales figures in comparison with the figures of companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The sales margin is 21.1%, with an average for the subcategory of 5.1%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 15.9%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.083%. This is 57% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $409,000. While in the subcategory there are $260,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 57.3%. Assessment of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is $35,300. The average in the subcategory is $10,900. And the difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 224%. Evaluation of profit per employee compared to indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The organization's revenue per individual employee is $168,000. In the subcategory, $213,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 27%. Sales per employee rating compared to companies in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The number of short shares is 1.7%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 3.1%. This is the short squeeze estimate. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 48% for the company SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc. Whereas for the subcategory this level is 67%. The company's actual share price is around $3.42. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $10.01. The actual price and consensus forecast dynamics are approximately 193%. Let's look at the order table, which is available to everyone. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made in a given season by the evaluation information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the analysis SBC Medical Group Holdings Inc. Information and reference system of assessment GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a buy order at $3.41. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a relatively high valuation. The company's assessment was made using the assessment method, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 4.3. Stop loss is set at 2.52. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of trading on June 19, 2025, or on the last working day before the specified date. Ticker, RDNT, is a balancing order to sell. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on the channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, basic or balancing, another order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the help system from GURU.Markets.